Hello, everybody. I'm back with issues of the day. Um, Business Analysis course series. We are going to discuss IBM Rational Pro. Let us proceed with the flight. Fasten your seatbelts. Enjoy your flight. Hello, this is a Business Analyst course series, IBM Rational Requisite Pro. We are going to explain the features of IBM Rational Requisite Pro. We'll explore the pros and cons of a key requirements management tool. Introduction to IBM Rational Requisite Pro. By IBM Rational Requisite Pro is a pivotal tool for managing and documenting requirements within computer projects, enhancing communication among stakeholders throughout the software development lifecycle. Overview. IBM Rational Requisite Pro provides a structured method for capturing, organizing, and managing requirements throughout project life cycles. It assists teams in maintaining clarity and consistency amidst evolving project specifications. The primary users of IBM Rational Requisite Pro include business analysts, project managers, and developers engaged in software development. This diverse audience benefits from collaborative tools designed to streamline requirements management and traceability. Purpose. IBM Rational Requisite Pro aims to enhance requirement traceability, documentation, and collaboration in a seamless manner. Its structured approach ensures that all project stakeholders have visibility into evolving requirements, thereby reducing miscommunication and errors. Key features of IBM Rational Requisite Pro. IBM Rational Requisite Pro offers essential features for effective requirements management in software development, enhancing traceability, collaboration, change control, and integration. These capabilities make it a vital tool for business analysts and project managers navigating complex project landscapes. Requirements management. IBM Rational Requisite Pro excels in capturing, organizing, and tracking requirements throughout the project life cycle, ensuring a clear understanding of project goals. Its robust management features support large-scale projects and facilitate alignment among stakeholders. Traceability. A standout feature of IBM Rational Requisite Pro is its traceability capability, allowing for monitoring of requirements across various project stages. This ensures that every requirement is linked and can be traced back to its origin, improving accountability. Collaboration. The tool promotes collaboration among multiple stakeholders, enabling real-time viewing and updating of requirements. This ensures that business analysts, project managers, and developers work cohesively, reducing miscommunication and enhancing project agility. Change control. IBM Rational Requisite Pro incorporates robust change control features that allow for versioning and documentation of requirement changes. This ensures all modifications are tracked and can be reviewed, which is crucial for maintaining project integrity. Integration. The tool offers seamless integration with other IBM Rational tools, such as Rational ClearCase for version control. This interoperability enhances its functionality, enabling business analysts to leverage multiple tools within a cohesive ecosystem. Pros of IBM Rational Requisite Pro. IBM Rational Requisite Pro offers significant advantages for businesses seeking to enhance their requirements management processes. Its comprehensive features empower teams to meticulously plan, track, and collaborate on project requirements effectively. Comprehensive requirements management. IBM Rational Requisite Pro excels in managing large-scale projects by capturing and organizing requirements efficiently. This ensures that all project stakeholders have visibility and can contribute to requirements alignment throughout the project lifecycle. Robust traceability. One of the core strengths of IBM Rational Requisite Pro is its robust traceability feature. This allows teams to track requirements from inception to completion, ensuring that every requirement is aligned with project objectives and deliverables. Customization. The platform allows for extensive customization, enabling users to tailor views, reports, and workflows according to specific project needs. This flexibility enhances user experience and ensures that the tool aligns with organizational processes effectively. Integration with other tools. IBM Rational Requisite Pro integrates seamlessly with other IBM Rational tools like Rational ClearCase for version control. This integration enhances its functionality, offering a holistic approach to project management among different tools. Collaboration across teams. The tool supports collaboration among multiple stakeholders, allowing them to view and update requirements in real time. This feature is particularly beneficial for distributed teams, ensuring that all parties remain aligned and informed. Cons of IBM Rational Requisite Pro. Despite its strengths, IBM Rational Requisite Pro comes with several drawbacks that can impact user experience and accessibility, particularly for smaller teams or organizations. These limitations merit consideration when evaluating its suitability for specific projects. Steep learning curve. IBM Rational Requisite Pro presents a steep learning curve, making it complex for newcomers or smaller teams to adapt quickly. the extensive features may overwhelm those sophisticated requirements management tools, resulting in a prolonged onboarding process. Outdated interface. The user interface of IBM Rational Requisite Pro is considered outdated and not as intuitive as newer alternatives. This may hinder user efficiency and create frustration among teams accustomed to modern user-friendly software design. Resource intensive. Implementing and maintaining IBM Rational Requisite Pro requires significant resources, including dedicated IT support and regular maintenance efforts. Smaller teams may find the setup cumbersome, impacting their ability to be agile in project management. Cost. The cost of IBM Rational Requisite Pro can be prohibitive for smaller organizations, making it less accessible compared to cloud-based solutions. Licensing fees and necessary infrastructure investments can strain budgets, deterring potential users. Lack of cloud support. IBM Rational Requisite Pro primarily operates as an on-premise solution, limiting flexibility compared to modern cloud-based tools. This reliance on local infrastructure can hinder collaboration for geographically distributed teams, affecting project efficiency. Effectiveness as a business analyst tool. IBM Rational Requisite Pro is a sophisticated tool optimized for large enterprises facing complex and dynamic requirements. It enhances traceability and audit capabilities, making it essential in regulated environments. For large enterprises, IBM Rational Requisite Pro excels in large enterprises, managing complex multi-team projects. It aligns well with organizations that require robust documentation and tracking of requirements due to frequent changes in projects, ensuring all stakeholders are on the same page. Traceability and audit. The tool offers excellent traceability features, ensuring all requirements are monitored through each project phase. This capability is critical in regulated industries, supporting compliance by providing audit trails for requirements and changes. Requirement management challenges. Rational Requisite Pro is suited for waterfall methodologies but faces challenges in agile or DevOps environments. The tool may the tool may struggle to accommodate the rapid iteration cycles common in these frameworks. That is, in agile and DevOps environments, there's a lot of rapid iteration cycles in these two frameworks. So it limits the its effectiveness for modern software development practices. Rational Requisite Pro is mainly suited for the waterfall model methodologies than agile or DevOps environments. Alternatives comparison. When compared with modern tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, or Confluence, IBM Rational Requisite Pro often lags in user experience and cloud capabilities. These modern alternatives provide more intuitive interfaces and flexibility, making them more appealing for agile teams in dynamic project settings. Conclusion. A comprehensive evaluation of IBM Rational Requisite Pro reveals its strengths in requirements management and collaborative features alongside certain limitations that influence its adoption, especially in smaller or more agile-focused teams. Summary of pros and cons. IBM Rational Requisite Pro excels in comprehensive requirements management, robust traceability, and customization options. Its drawbacks include a steep learning curve, outdated interface, and high costs, making it less accessible for small teams or modern project environments. Recommendation: IBM Rational Requisite Pro is recommended for large enterprises and complex projects, particularly those requiring strict traceability and documentation. Smaller organizations or agile teams may benefit from exploring alternative tools with more intuitive interfaces and cloud support, like Jira, Trello, Confluence, Power BI. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have enjoyed your flight. I will be back with another exciting tool and give you its strengths, weaknesses, and comparisons with other tools for in business analysis. Thank you. I hope to see you soon. We are coming to a closure, so stay tuned for the final phases. Goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed. We meet again under similar circumstances. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, a like, for what you are, to show me that you appreciate. And my channel is young and it is growing. I need more subscribers and people who appreciate what I have to offer. I'm not only giving you a business analyst course, I am also doing a, lo- a lot of other things on my program. Like I do also a tech analysis and infosec, GRC related issues, which I'll be presenting after I finish my business analysis course series. Thank you.